you set a goal, but you don't plan to reach that goal. You just set the goal. I'd like to hear his steps and how he did, and tell us a little bit about that.
Thank you, Grandmaster Smith. So I think I told you guys I was in Colorado, right? That was in May, and then I left with some plans, and I thought, man, I really just want to set a big, what would be for me a scary goal to sign. I've never signed up 100 students in 90 days, especially over the quote unquote slow summer months. So I set that goal, went to work, and we're 83 days in the summer, right, out of the 90, and we're at 104 students. So we got there.
Yeah. I must say, Scott, I'm upset because it was 100 students in 6 weeks was supposed to be the deal. So you were supposed to have hit that between July 1st and August.
I'm a
15th.
slacker. Yeah, what can I say?
Yeah.
Oh boy. Master Oliver's always going to
I just want to make one point regarding Jason and what you just said, because I was like upset like a couple of weeks ago, because from June until now, we had a bad spot in July where I was just missing enrollments, and I couldn't figure out why. And it just brought my whole mood down, and it took my mind off what was really happening as we still hit the goal. And I focused on the small piece of the pie that was negative, and that predominated in my mind. So it's very easy to do that, even in the best of times. So I just wanted to make that comment.
Yeah.
Especially with Jason having a good month, and not a bad month. It's a good month, and
he just said that July and August were both record Julys and August.
We haven't hit 100,000 yet. That's why I'm pissed off. So yeah.
Okay, it's okay to be pissed off on that, but at least let's like Scott, let us pat you on the back for reaching